Okay, we got some Donny Osmond, Soldier of Love. I'm not that big on Donny Osmond. I think he did good on The Masked Singer. But this song right here is like the jam. I read the story behind it, and they were trying to like see who hidden the mystery artist is. It's kind of cool. If you look it up on Wikipedia, search Soldier of Love on Wiki. Tells you the story. But yeah, it was his comeback hit, y'all. I think it came like number 2. Peaked at number 2.